Hey everyone, it's John and Megan, and we're back in the basement, and I've got to address the elephant in the room. I have a red tongue because I ate a piece of candy and I got a red stripe on it, so it's going to annoy the hell out of me, so I figured it probably will annoy you too. But anyways, welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be showing you guys like 10, 7, 12, 4, somewhere in that neighborhood items that we sold on eBay, and we made some money, so that's all I really care about is, you know, making the money. We have my favorite redhead in the whole world, Megan, behind me. And today we are going to jump right into this video right now today. I'm going to say today at least 3 more times because I have ADHD. Today. Okay, I feel better. What's first item that we got?
Game.
Oh, this is a fantastic game. I've had these. I bought these since, I've had them since 2018. I bought them from Goodwill. And I paid, I don't know, like $1 a piece for them. And I sold this one for how much?
$4.50 plus shipping.
$4.50 plus shipping, and it probably ain't enough to cover it. But I want them gone. So if you see this in my eBay store, which the link should be down below, just go buy one. Make me like a $3 offer on them, and I'll sell them to you $3 a piece. Stuff's flying in the way.
Okay.
What's the next item that we got, Francine?
Thing.
Oh, she went for the big one. You know, that's a big one. It's a big malt mixer. It's an antique, vintage, whatever you want to call it, malt mixer. It's a Shorecraft silent mixer. And boy, oh boy, is it heavy, so we're going to put it down. How much did it sell for?
$56.21 plus shipping.
$56.21 plus shipping. Would you have imagined that that thing would sell for that kind of money? It's all chipped up and nasty. But it did. Somebody absolutely loves it because it's going to look good in their house, or maybe they got a malt shop. I'm not here to judge. The next item that we have here is an awesome red truck. You can kind of see it through the transparent paper. It is a, what year? It's a 1936 Ford. And looks like it's in super great shape. How much did it sell for?
$12.55 plus shipping.
$12.55 plus shipping. Okay, guys, the next item that we have is this really nice, like I think it's called a Transit, and it's super nice, old. They used it for surveying back in the day. It actually comes tucked down inside of a beautiful wooden box. That's pretty awesome. You guys like that? And how much did it sell for?
$40 plus shipping.
$40 plus shipping. I didn't pay too much for it, but I really thought those would sell for more than $40. I was kind of shocked when I realized that they really ain't all that valuable. Who'd have thunk it?
What's the next item that we sold?
The next item that we sold is this, honey.
We have 3 basic bees, and they sold for what?
They sold for somewhere in the name of like $14 a piece.
Yeah, so it looks like 49 something plus, well, what, 3 cents shipping? Yeah, that's right. This is the thing, you've got 1 cent shipping.
Talk to them, not to me.
He's got 1 cent.
We're training
shipping.
her because everybody seems to like the redhead more than the fat guy, so we're putting her up front.
No.
Hit me with them.
No.
Hit me with them. They sold for $14 a piece and some change, plus 3 cents shipping. See, what's the next item?
What's the next item?
You gotta say it loud. Say it loud.
What's the next item?
Don't yell at the poor people. They didn't deserve to be yelled at. You're being mean to them. I'm sorry.
I'm yelling at you.
She's yelling at me, but you guys are getting the brunt of it. The next item that we have here is her absolute favorite. Tell them how much you love this stuff.
Oh, I love books, and I love The Little House on the Prairie.
Don't look at them. Look at them, not me. You're having a conversation with everyone who likes redheads. There you go.
It's 3 Little House on the Prairie books. And what did they sell for?
I think they sold for something like $8.46.
Plus shipping, it looks like. Okay, and what else do we have?
I think that's it.
No,
oh, wait, no, we got one more item. She has to do my job and her job because I'm just back here loving doing her job, except for I don't want to ship anything. But the next item that we sold, say it to me.
What's the next item that we sold?
We sold his car.
We sold this car. I think it's a Mercedes, isn't it?
Yep.
It's a Mercedes slot car.
It is. Who's it made by?
Lionel, however you say it.
Lionel was on one of the Thundercats. You know who the Thundercats are?
I've heard of them, yeah.
She's heard of them. What are they? What genre is it?
It's a cartoon.
What do they look like, though?
Cats.
They look like cats! It's in the name, people. And
It's sold for
$22.45.
$22.45.
$29.54 shipped out the door. It can be yours today. Come on down to Big Red's Hot Cars, and we're going to sell you the car of your dreams. If it's a Mercedes slot car made by Lionel. She's kicking me back to the front, people. And that's it. That's all the stuff that we sold. I sure hope you guys enjoyed seeing Big Red up front. Francis enjoyed it greatly. And we're going to be doing some more of that because I kind of had a good time in the back just grooving out, just like getting my dance moves on. I'm enjoying it. So we're going to go and I actually got to open up the store.